Ever found yourself staring at your phone, that little loading wheel spinning endlessly, or worse, an error message mocking your attempt to access your hard-earned funds? Maybe a payment didn't go through, or you're dealing with a discrepancy that's throwing your entire operation off track. And all you need is a real, live human on the other end of the line, someone from Relay Payments customer service. But where is that number? It feels like you're searching for a phantom, right? You're not alone. In the fast-paced world of trucking and logistics, where every minute counts, a payment delay or a technical glitch can have a domino effect, impacting everything from fuel costs to driver pay. And when you're dealing with that kind of pressure, the last thing you need is to be lost in a maze of online FAQs and automated chatbots. You need a direct line to someone who can actually help. We've all been there. You scour the Relay Payments app, click through endless help menus, and maybe even try a desperate Google search, only to find outdated information or generic contact forms that promise a response within a few business days. In today's world, that's an eternity. But here's the thing, while finding that direct customer service number might feel like navigating a secret labyrinth, it's not impossible. And in this video, we're going to cut through the noise and give you the definitive guide to getting in touch with Relay Payments customer service fast. Let's start with the basics. The Relay Payments app itself should be your first point of reference. Open it up and look for a help or support section. This is where they typically house their contact information. However, be prepared for a bit of a treasure hunt. Screen recording shows various menu options being explored. Sometimes, the customer service number isn't directly listed. You might find a contact us form or a chat option instead. While these can be helpful for less urgent issues, they're not ideal when you need immediate assistance. If you're encountering a critical issue, like a payment not processing or a security concern, you'll likely need to speak to a representative directly. Now, let's talk about online resources. The Relay Payments website is another place to look. Search for their support or contact page. You might find a list of FAQs, troubleshooting guides, or even a knowledge base. These can be helpful for resolving common issues, but again, they might not provide the direct phone number you're looking for. Here's a breakdown of what you might find online. FAQs. These answer common questions and can be a good starting point for troubleshooting. Help articles. These provide step-by-step instructions for resolving specific issues. Contact forms. These allow you to submit inquiries, but response times can vary. Live chat. Some platforms offer live chat support, which can be faster than email. If all else fails, a quick Google search can sometimes yield results. But be cautious. Make sure you're getting information from a reputable source, like the official Relay Payments website or trusted industry forums. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing personal information to unverified websites. When searching, try using specific keywords like Relay Payments customer service phone number, Relay Payments support contact, or Relay Payments helpline. This can help you narrow down your search and find relevant information. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the direct customer service number. Here's where things can get a little tricky, as this information can change. However, based on our research and user feedback, here are some strategies to try. First, within the Relay Payments app, try to locate any call us options. Some apps push customer service phone numbers deep into their menus, so be persistent. Second, check your email correspondence from Relay Payments. Often, they include a contact number in their signature or within the body of the email. Third, look at your Relay Payments payment receipts. These documents also often have contact information. If you are a business using Relay Payments, contact your dedicated account manager. They will provide the most direct and efficient contact avenue. Let's recap the steps to take. Check the Relay Payments app, look for help or support sections. Visit the Relay Payments website, search for Contact Us or Support. Search online, use specific keywords in your Google search. Check your email correspondence, look for contact information in emails from Relay Payments. Check your payment receipts, often contact information is present. Contact your account manager, if you have one, they are the best option. Remember, patience is key. Dealing with customer service can be frustrating, but staying calm and collected will help you get your issue resolved faster. Be prepared to provide your account information, transaction details, and any other relevant information that can help the customer service representative understand your situation. And here's a pro tip: if you're calling during peak hours, be prepared for longer wait times. Consider calling early in the morning or late in the afternoon to minimize your wait. Common issues that might require customer service assistance include payment delays or failures, account login problems, transaction discrepancies, security concerns, app glitches or errors, questions about fees or charges, need to update account information. Ultimately, the best way to get in touch with Relay Payments customer service is to be persistent and resourceful. Don't give up if you don't find the number immediately. Keep trying different methods until you reach a representative who can help you. We understand the frustration of dealing with technical issues and payment problems, especially when you're running a business. But remember, you're not alone. Many people encounter similar challenges. By following these steps and staying persistent, you'll be able to get the help you need and get back to focusing on what matters most, keeping your business moving. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.